here. Now the fifth part says find the time taken by the bus to reach from point A to point B. So this is something new for us, that is finding out the time taken by the bus to reach from A to B. So that depends on the speed of the bus. Okay, the time taken by the bus depends on the speed of the bus. Now let's see, this is a small explanation. This you don't have to write, but if you write also at the side of your book, no problem, depends on you. As you can see, what is written? 60 kilometers per hour. Now this per is a sign of division. This per is actually a sign of division. That means something like this. That means to find the speed, we need to divide the distance with the time taken. Got it? Time taken. So we know the speed, but here we know the speed, we know the distance, we have to find the time. So now if we exchange this place, means if from this formula just now we derived this formula, distance upon time, from this formula we will take out a new formula for how to find the time when the speed is known and the distance is known. So speed is known, obviously the speed is known here. Speed is known and the distance is known. Clear? We have to find the time. So if we shift this time from the right hand side to the left hand side and we shift the speed from the left hand side to the right hand side, we will get the formula for time. So now for this time is in division. This time has a sign of division. If we write the speed, we can also write S is equal to, speed is equal to distance divided by time. This is what the sign says. So if it is changing its side from right hand side to left hand side, its sign will change. So division sign becomes which sign? Yes, multiplication sign. So it will come up. Clear? This will come up. Now you see how. Wait, I'll write here only, then I'll erase the board for you all. This time comes here, so it will be something like this. Time into speed is equal to distance. Time into speed is equal to distance. Time has changed its side. So whenever any unit or any number change its side, its sign changes. So let's see. Okay, you can see I have written this line over here. Time into speed is equal to distance. Now if I remove this speed, remove means if I change its side from here to here, that is from the left hand side to the right hand side, so its sign will change. What sign is it? Multiplication. It becomes division. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So what formula did we derive? That time is equal to distance upon speed. Now here is the distance, here is the speed. Simply we will divide the numbers and we will get the time taken to find the difference distance between A to B, C to D, E to G, and the total journey. So now we will find the time taken from A to B. So the distance from A to B is 4,170. 1,170 divided by here. This is the distance, this is the speed. Speed is 60. Now we cancel the zeros and we divide 417 by 6. So it will be 6 are 36, 5, 7 and 9s are 54, 3. Now no number is there, so you remember we used to put a decimal and we can add any number of zeros. So now the next number is 0. 0 comes down, so before 0 is what? It's a decimal, it goes up. Now 6 5s are 30. So this completes and we get the time taken is 69.5 hours. Much hours, na? Now we start for C to D. Here, distance between C to D is 2160. 2160. We cut the 0 0. Divide. Time is distance upon speed. So distance upon speed. We cut down the 0 0. We add 6. 4 is 24. 6 3s are 18. This is 3 and this is 6. 6 6 are 36. So it is 36 hours. Then E to G, where is E? E to G means we need to find out this plus this. So first we do that. 504380. This is the total distance traveled. Now we have to divide this distance by 60. So 6930 divided by 60. Cut down the 0. 693 divided by 6. 1s are 6. 1s are 6. Less place. I will be continuing here. 5s are 30. Again now 3 is left. We know what to do. We put the extra number of zeros and now the next 0 comes down. So before 0 is the decimal, it goes up here. Now we know 6 5s is 30. So 30, we write 30. 30 minus 30 gives us 0. So the answer is 115.5 hours. Total journey. What is the total answer? We can turn the page and we can find out the total journey, that is A to A, that is 26,100. So 26,000 here, total journey, all this plus, which we have done already in question number 4. So 26,100 divided by 60. So we divide, we cancel the 0 0 and 2610 is divided by 6. 6 4s are 24. This is 1. 6 3s are 18. This is 3 and 0 comes down. 6 5s are 30. So the answer is 435 hours. Now I am bringing the camera very near to the board just to make sure that you can see the board nicely and enter it in your book. Here, this though you will get it. Now you see this is your A, then B, C, last. This completes your try these question number 1. So please do comment whether you have understood or not.